Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MS Word. And in this video, I will show you how to format your shapes in different style, different color as far as MS Word is concerned. Let me show you how. Like for instance, some of these shapes right here are come in different color. We can decide to change the color, change the format and the likes as the case may be. First thing first, select the particular shape you want to work with. So I'm going to work with this particular gray shape right here. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and go to format shape right here. So you have different templates right here, like this blue right here. If you are satisfied with that, you can take from black. You have different shape color right here. You can also make it transparent with no background. Then you have it known as a color right here. So I can go back right here and switch to color as the case may be. And another thing we can do here is that we can fill gradient right here. So if you want to fill gradient, go ahead and click on shape fill right here. Next thing you want to do is go to gradients. You have different gradients presets right here. You want to click on more gradient right here. This will allow you to see more different gradients that you can easily set your custom gradients. You can change the position of gradient from radial to different types of gradient as the case may be. Like how you have it right here. You can work on the position of the gradient. You can also change from gradient color right here. So you can change to other different types of color. You can click on here and then control the position of the gradient from this angle right here. So go ahead and close this tab right here. So next thing we can do right here is that we can also format the uh, outline right here. We go to shape outline right here. So under the shape outline, we have different outline. We have sketch, so we can use any of the sketch right here, and it's going to be reflected in the shape right here. Okay, we can go back to shape outline and choose different type of shape outline. So let's take a look at this one right here, and we can also go back to shape outline right here and choose outline color as the case may be. Everything depends on what we can make it to outline right here. So we can go on and select another shape right here. So this one right here, I can go to shape outline. I can change the outline to sketch right here. So you can see the sketch has appeared on this one right here. We can change the color of the outline. So we go back to shape outline. We can choose different color entirely. So have this particular color right here. So we can go on and format our shape. Select on this, we can switch from white to another color. We go to shape fill right here. So different color right here as the case may be. So the more you hover your mouse, the more the color is going to be appear on the design, just like what you see right here. So if you're satisfied with the color, go ahead and select on the color, and then you have it to and select on this one right here. I can come back here and choose different shape. However, I can go to advanced design tab right here. Go ahead and click on design tab. Come to color right here. From here, I can change and then match the color and see it's being reflected right here. If you're satisfied with that, go ahead and select on the color and you have it. Let's go back to home page right here. Then you can go on and format your shape color as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your MS Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you